Hi guys, I figured I'd get into uh, the Ford truck build off, and this is my entry. Just hold on. This is what I'm gonna be building for the Ford truck build off, and as you can see, it hasn't been started. It's all still in the bags. Um, I figure since everybody else is getting into it, like I don't have enough projects as it is. But I'll try my best to get it done in time. Uh, with my luck, probably not. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. I'll probably put my own twist into it. Maybe build a drag truck. I'm not too sure yet. But anyways, this was my entry for the Ford truck build off. Thank you for all my subscribers. Any questions, please ask. I'll answer as soon as I can. Have a good weekend, all YouTubers. Bye.